Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3. That big turn that we had this week definitely looks like to me it is trying to end a wave 3. We're probably going to make a pretty good sized correction for the wave 4 and probably eventually go back up for a wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, which could even end up being a big wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, especially with this little 3, 4, 5 state that we have here, that which you see at the end of every trend if you're on the correct time frame, I do think that we have a pretty significant turn, probably the end of a wave 3. We probably are in the very early stages of a correction like a wave 4, and eventually I think it will go up for a wave 5. If this really is a wave 4, then it could possibly stretch out to as big as this wave 2, which means we could be in for a sideways corrective market for a few months for a wave 4. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely big impulsive move down. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, which makes me think that it should at least make a 4 and a 5. Probably still all part of a wave A. I have a feeling that it's probably eventually going to make a wave B and probably go down and make a wave C. But like I said, this correction possibly is going to last a few months. So it actually could turn into a much more complex correction, like a double, triple zigzag, maybe a WXY, maybe some sort of a flat pattern. We're just going to have to wait and see, but I think the best bet for us is to start looking for shorts since we're probably in a big corrective pattern as of now. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on from here to here, which I think is a very clearly a 1 and a 2. This is probably a big wave 3. This is probably now in a wave 4, and I bet it's going to at least go down one more time for a wave 5, and this should still be all part of a big wave A, probably the wave A of wave 4, like I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looking at this move up as a possible wave 4. We already have 3 waves up, so if this makes an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, I would actually go short because there's a good chance that this could be the end of a wave 4, go down, make a wave 5. Most wave 5s only go down to around the low of wave 3, so it's definitely not a trade to hold on to for a very long time because after that it probably will go up and make a correction to this whole move down. But we still could possibly get a pretty decent little sorting opportunity for the wave 5, and then when we know the wave 5 is over, possibly we could start looking for longs to trade the wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.